All right, everyone. Now let's understand how Dell PowerFlex integrates with the VMware Cloud Foundation and what storage protocols are supported across different VCF versions. So we have taken two different versions, VMware Cloud Foundation 5.x and VMware Cloud Foundation 9.x. This is very important from production perspective if you are planning for a VCF deployment using external storage instead of vSAN. So as part of this class, we have taken VMware Cloud Foundation 5.x and VMware Cloud Foundation 9.x. Let's go step by step. So first one, VCF 5.x support. VCF 5.x supports multiple PowerFlex versions, specifically PowerFlex 4.5, PowerFlex 4.6, PowerFlex 5.x. But support depends on the protocol being used. The primary or principal storage protocol is STC, which stands for Storage Data Client. In this model, PowerFlex presents block storage directly to ESXi host using the STC driver. This is considered the main storage method for PowerFlex integration with VCF. In production, this is typically used when organizations want a high performance block storage similar to SAN, but completely software defined. Next is NVMe over TCP. This is listed as supplemental storage and not the main storage. So what does that mean? It means NVMe TCP can be used alongside STC but not as the primary storage layer for VCF management workloads. This protocol is used when we want ultra low latency and high performance standard Ethernet networks without fiber channel. Finally, we have NFS support. In VCF 5.x, NFS is supported as principal storage only for PowerFlex versions 4.5.x and 4.6.x, not version 5.x. So if someone is using PowerFlex 5.x, NFS may not be supported as principal storage for VCF 5.x environment. Now let's move to VMware Cloud Foundation 9.x. We will notice that support looks same, but this reflects continued compatibility. Again, VCF 9.x also supports PowerFlex 4.5, 4.6 and 5.x with the same protocol rules. SDC continues to be the main storage integration method. So if you are designing a new VCF 9.x environment with PowerFlex, SDC remains the recommended approach for principal storage. NVMe TCP remains a supplemental storage. Organizations often use this for performance sensitive workloads while keeping STC as the primary data store in production support. NFS is still supported only for PowerFlex 4.5 and 4.x as principal storage. So compatibility planning becomes very important when upgrading PowerFlex or VCF versions. We need to understand why we need to importance to this in production support. Because storage compatibility directly impacts our deployment design, upgrade planning, performance, and then supportability. If we choose the wrong protocol or unsupported version, deployment may fail or not be supported by VMware. In real enterprise environments, STC is chosen for mission critical workloads. NVMe TCP is used for high performance applications. NFS is used when file-based storage integration is required, especially in hybrid cloud designs or external storage strategies. So to summarize, PowerFlex integrates with VCF using multiple protocols, but each protocol has a specific role. As I told earlier, STC used for primary storage, NVMe TCP used as supplemental storage, NFS limited principal storage, support for certain versions only. So always check compatibility between VCF version, PowerFlex version and protocol before we start the VCF deployment. In the next session, we will see how PowerFlex can be used as external storage for VCF deployment and how it compares with vSAN in real production design.